He kept the calling, so I had to answer. And if you's really smart, boy, you best mind your manners.
What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today what the hell? I'm gonna keep that in. So today we are going to do the 5-minute challenge of eating the 5-minute noodle challenge. There we go. Cup noodles because this is in a cup. So this is a speed eating challenge. And yeah. Now whoever's new, please subscribe. And tell your friends and family to subscribe. I will appreciate that. So we do like hot sauces, so we're gonna put hot sauce in these noodles.
Yeah, we gonna spice it up. We gonna spice the challenge up. Yeah. Yep.
This is from Hell's Kitchen. This is ghost pepper hot sauce. So
Hell's Kitchen. You already know with Gordon Ramsay, all that other stuff. You know how they compete and everything. We got the hot sauce from Hell's Kitchen. So, like I said, we wanna spice this challenge up. Make it less boring.
oh god! I put half of it, or more than half. You just have the rest. And I just opened that today. Well, not really opened it, but I just took it out today.
Okay, you gotta stir that enough. Gotta make sure it's stirred good. Stir your noodles good, y'all. Man, you're not getting nothing. I can smell it too.
Gooey. They don't have even eat this.
Yeah.
So, let's start now.
Right.
The hot sauce.
Oh my god.
We just had to do it. Because our previous challenges that we've done is mostly hot, spicy challenges, so yeah.
Why not? Continue. Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
If we have to, it's worse for us.
Oh god.
Jesus.
Oh, it's harder. It's harder down here. It's harder down. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, God. Yeah, it's so hard to eat. Oh, it's hard to eat.
We got it. We got it. We got it.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, it burns every time.
My lips.
Oh,
This is my
my
lips.
tongue, bro. My tongue. Every time I put it back on my tongue, no homo, bro. But it hurt. It burnt. It's like crazy.
This
Oh gosh.
is my lips for me. Holy crap.
Oh. Oh God. Ooh, my tongue.
It's the lips. This for me.
Okay. I gotta eat it. Gotta eat it.
This, bro. That is. We're not even halfway done. Look at this.
Shit.
Boy. Are you okay?
Had something stuck in my throat.
It's the lips. It's the lips. My part of putting half of that in my thing. I was gonna put a little bit, not a lot. We failed. We failed.
Oh God. Oh God. Hey, I could put it all the way to halfway, but after that, nah.
If my lips wasn't burning, we could have.
Oh,
I
God.
could have done the challenge.
We failed. We failed.
Oh my God. This is me. Yeah, we fail again. Is this gonna be like our first couple of videos? We in hell. The reason why I said our first couple of videos because we fail a lot. So yeah, Jesus,
Man.
bruh.
Goodness gracious. Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
That was too much. Bro, every time I kept trying to eat more, it's like instantly soon as it touched my tongue, bro. Oh gosh.
It's my lips that was got it. Okay, next time, if we do another speed eating challenge, we are gonna use a little bit of, we are gonna use a little bit of hot sauce. That's it. Not a half of hot sauce.
Yep. Oh gosh.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, oh, I forgot to mention, his channel link is in the his channel link is in the description of my video. So subscribe to him, please.
That'd be greatly appreciated. All right.
Okay. So okay. This is the other video. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below. And whoever's new, please subscribe. If you're new, tell your friends and family to subscribe to me so I can get to like probably 500 subscribers by the end of this year, or if not, at least to 300 subscribers or 400. So,
Hooba dooba.
bruh. What? Scooby-Doo? This is our guest that popped up out of nowhere. This is Nana. She's almost, oh, I forgot her age. So, peace out, love you guys.
Peace out.
Kept the calling.